everyone. Today is the big day where we finally can go get the keys to move into the new house, which I'm so excited. I'll link a video in the description around for the apartment tours and some of my moving tips. But here I'm gonna be documenting getting the keys, moving in. We hired some movers, so they should be coming around noon. So we're gonna get the keys at 9, come back and prepare for the movers at 12. And I'm gonna show you guys, take you guys along for the journey. So let's go.
I feel like we're at a different place right now.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
I got the keys. Okay, so I got the kitchen. Everything's cleaned up and painted. That dining space, all the light.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Here, so I'm gonna take this bedroom here. Closets. It's okay. I think that'll fit the clothes.
I like this little area here too.
Got the bathroom. Hey, Kylie.
Huge.
Hey, Kylie, can I
Got a bedroom. And then with the furniture out, this place, it feels even larger too. And then the sunroom. So. Plenty of space. It's gonna be great. Now we just gotta bring in the stuff. So at this time of day, I think it's like 11:30ish. We're having some issues with the moving because apparently there is someone who is moving into our building the same time we are moving out. So they're on their way. They'll be here in like an hour, 2 hours, but our movers don't come until that exact like 2 hour time. So there's gonna be some overlap. We've already had the management of the building come and kind of like talk to us about this, even though we've paid for the extra day to stay. The communication on it just wasn't there to understand the situation to the full. So we're just in a pickle right now. So we're just gonna see how it goes. Okay, update. We passed the keys to the people at the new place. So they should be able to move in. We packed all of our stuff up. Hello. How are you?
Let me see. You're moving in?
We are.
Now,
Yeah.
I'm wondering. I know.
And this was how tight they had to squeeze back in. My family makes fun of me because I pull stuff from the trash sometimes. Furniture that people will give away. But look at this. I found this chair. It needs some help, but this could be a DIY project. I can already see it. Like maybe pulling some of the fabric here and fixing, patching up these holes and reupholstering this base that can come off. Maybe with like a nice soft plushy fabric. I don't know, think about it. White or black could be nice. But we'll see, maybe I'll make that a video. Yes, okay. We're really close. Just a couple more things to move. You see we got the bed in my room. The dresser is here. We're just slowly moving some boxes and other things. So here we are. Hey, so it's a little bit later now, but we are finally moved in. We have all the stuff, but I'm so glad we made it through the day. Everything's in its in the building. We gave the keys back to the old place. The movers are gone, so now it's just unpacking all of this and organizing, which I kind of enjoy. So that's gonna be my night, and probably tomorrow and this whole week, just trying to sort through everything. But I'm excited and I'm glad we're here. I'll probably put this all together in a video. So yeah, I'm excited. The apartment should be looking pretty cool by the end of this. So job well done. Hey, so it's the next day. It was a very long day yesterday, but we got everything in the house, and I woke up super early at like 6 a.m. just excited to walk around the place and unpack and stuff. And I guess right now it's like 1 p.m. and I've been unpacking all day, and I got rid of a lot of the stuff that was in the dining room. So I'm excited about that. I've just been like organizing and moving everything around. Like, I'm definitely the kind of person that likes to have everything in its place. And when I move, I just want everything to look as neatly as it can in the time that we have. I mean, it hasn't even been 24 hours yet. And I went through all these boxes and put everything away, but the place is looking really good. So I'm excited. So I set up my room already. I need to fix the bed and put it on a platform and get my mattress off the floor. And then all my clothes are there. The closet's organized. I even went through the bathroom. There's still boxes, but we don't have like storage places for that yet. It's my sister's room. It's still kind of messy, but it's okay. She's away at work right now, but the living room is coming together slowly. There's still some stuff we need, but there's a lot of potential here. Oh, I got the TV up there. There's still a lot that we want to do to this apartment. We're decorating, DIY projects, just revamping the kitchen, the bathroom, just renter-friendly DIYs that I think could be helpful for you guys, and also just make this a really beautiful space. So I plan to keep filming and making videos to put on this channel. So if you're interested in seeing this apartment come to life and want to follow that journey, give a like and maybe subscribe to the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see ya. Bye.